Hey guys, what's up? It's Kaylana here, and today I'm going to go over the watch list for you guys. But first, let's go over economic reports. So this week is kind of wonky because, Monday closes early, then Tuesday it's closed, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, regular. We also have FOMC minutes on Wednesday, which is a little bit weird. It's going to be kind of a strange week. But anyways, manufacturing PMIs on Monday, markets are closed on Tuesday, and then we have FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Blah 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 on Thursday. Nothing I really care about too much, and then unemployment rate on Friday. Yeah, just honestly a little bit strange. Kind of a weird week to have FOMC minutes, but I guess it's like 3 to 4 weeks after the FOMC meeting, so I don't know, kind of strange, but let's get straight into the watch list. Oh yeah, I wanted to go over what went right and what went wrong from the previous watch list. So last week I said 5% retracement to 422 on Spy, but we ended up getting 430, which was okay. Qqq, I had a 354 price target. We went to 357, so it's like $3 off, but still. Microsoft, I had a pull back in mind to 323 to 315, but we ended up going down to 328. Not bad, but I didn't even trade that. I just put it on the watch list. Nvidia, I said we could see a move to the low 400s. We ended up going from 422 to 396, so that's valid. JPM, we hit a new high since March 2022, and then Hood, just stay patient on that one. I don't really have too much it moves a little bit slower than the rest of the stocks I talk about, so it's probably going to be a few more weeks or possibly months till we see a real move happen on Hood, but it's cruising at that $10 mark now. Finally picked up off the lows of 920 or something. But first, let's get into Spy. I still think that we need the 5% retracement to about 422 area, this previous supply/demand zone. As you can see, we're very overextended on the SMAs. You could say the EMAs too. All of them are overextended. Any moving average is overextended on these higher time frames. So at least C434, we need this 5% retracement in order to continue a healthy uptrend. So you could place calls, probably go to like 450, which is a $7 move. And then when are we going to turn around? I'm not trying to say that, it's going to pull back this week, because I don't know exactly when the pullback is going to happen. The quarter did end on June 30th, so maybe quarter 3 we see some selling off and then some buying come in. I'm not too sure on the exact time frame, but I'm telling you guys, this is not going to go on forever. We're not going to keep placing calls every single week and it's going to work in our favor. We need this retracement to happen, at least to this 50 SMA at 421. My price target is 422 for that retracement. It's my opinion. I don't think that this is realistic where we just keep going up and up and up. So I'm a little bit biased. Within the next month or so, something is going to happen where we pull back at least $10-$20. So yeah, I don't really have any shorter time frame ideas because it doesn't make as much sense to me. I'm not going to tell you guys, I have price target of 450 because, I don't really believe in that. I wouldn't really, take that myself. I would place maybe, a scalp trade, but I'm not going to swing anything to 450. It's just so overextended at this point. If anything, I'm going to look for an opportunity to add puts. Now, let's move on to JPM. I still really like this stock. I'm holding on to the long-term calls. All right, I'm looking for a move above 147 to a move to 150 and then 170. Still holding on to that. Hood still looking nice. If we take it to a 21-day time frame, looks a little bit better. It's kind of, it held up at 840, and then we got some buyers over here at 930. So I'm looking for a move to the top of the range at around $12. Still holding on to it. It's going to be a little bit longer before we see a real move taken for $12. Now let's move on to Qqq. Like I said with Spy, overextended. We still need that 5% retracement. Maybe we push up to 370, 371, but I don't think we are going to just continue to push and push and push. Look how overextended we are on a 1-week time frame on Qqq. I'm not saying it's going to go down to 320, but we should at least go down to 348, something like that. Maybe 345. I'm not saying that it's going to crash, but we definitely need a pullback. I don't know when the pullback is going to come, but just be on watch for it. Be cautious with any bullish position that you're adding on now, just because you know it's overextended. Look at the RSI on a 1 week time frame. Look how overextended this is. We haven't even pulled back to the median of 50 since, when was this? January 2023. Like 6-7 months ago. So just be realistic here, guys. I don't have a specific setup. Why? Because I'm waiting for this retracement to come. That's the trade that I want to be in on $20, $30 move when stocks pull back. I can't keep being confident in moves to the upside. And I'm sorry to be a Debbie Downer, but that it is what it is. I hope you guys have an amazing 4th of July and amazing trading week. I will not be trading on Monday, obviously, or Tuesday, so I'm going to enjoy my 4-day weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.